What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. God, you can't see me because my freaking window. What the? Who let you in?
You let me out of the basement.
Oh, God, don't start with that again. So, we're back. Ruby Thursday.
That's right.
So, you know, if Ruby Thursday is happening, someone's here. It's going to be Mr. Hunter. But, what'd you go off and do this time, dude?
Well, it wasn't really my fault. Just
What, your fault?
The car decided that it needed some new parts.
More parts? Dude, we hadn't even finished putting in all the other parts.
I don't know.
I don't know what I'm going to do with these guys, man. I really don't. Like, they just keep buying and 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 keep buying. For real, though, we are about to walk our little happy butts outside. We noticed the other night that one of his rear quarter marker lights were out. And I've got LED. Remy's got LED. Sam's got LED. So he bought some LED ones that are actually pretty cool. We'll definitely have to see if we can. I mean, we can get them turned on. They should show up through, you know, at daytime. I don't know if we'll be able to see much of them here, but here, come over this way. Let's adjust this light. So they're smoked. That's what it looks like. They look smoked, but they're not. Oh, you can barely see the running horse. Oh, it's all good camera. That's why I paid so much for the damn thing. So we're going LED side markers, but we do have an update. A horrendous update. So we got the car done. Clutch, flywheel, springs, short throw shifter. He started driving it. Now it did sit for about a month with E in it, E85. But you started it some. So I mean, it should have cycled the fuel through. But we found another problem. He will be driving this car and driving perfectly fine. And all of a sudden, 2,500, 3,000, 3,500 RPM range, it goes to misfire. So, thank you to HP tuners for having a good tuning system. I hooked the laptop up to it, got into the tuning software and started looking at live data. And we found fuel pressure drop on the high pressure fuel pump. So, that will be here. Today is Tuesday.
Be here Friday.
Y'all actually get this next week. Well, you'll get the high pressure fuel pump next week. Let's put it that way. So we're going to have to put that in. And we'll do a how-to on that because I don't know if anybody's really showed me how to replace these things.
Make sure you pull the fuel line.
Don't pull fuel line. Sounds good. If you don't know what he's talking about, guys, go watch our 47-pound fuel injector video on his car. And you'll see what he's talking about because my dummy self went off and didn't pull it. And sprayed fuel all on my face. So, we're going to pull these. Oh, there we go. We're going to pull these out real quick. And legit is nothing but a tab back behind there. Now we may run into a little issue with somebody's exhaust, but I don't think it's going to be too bad. I'm going to get him to pull in the garage, back it in. That way we have some more light, better light. Alright, so all we got to do is, see, this one's dead. Now hopefully his exhaust ain't too flipping hot. Ugh. I think there is a little push tab that you have to push. Here, hold up for a sec. And because it is a pain in the butt to get to, we're having issues already. Just like that. So, this light comes out, and we need to unplug it. So there's a little push tab, push, pull it out. So this bulb is a standard incandescent. You can put LEDs in it, but out with the old, in with the news.
Should be right the right side.
Yeah. So, see, this just plugs in. Simple. We'll double check it and make sure we get it right before we go back in with it. But this little tab will go right here. And these little push tabs lock in. When you push the light in, they lock in right here on the bumper. So when you reach up in there, this is what you're pushing on right there. You just got to get that clear of the bumper enough and push it back. So let's see. Oh, you know what? This one is going to do it this way. So we're going to use this. This is different than what mine was. I'm going to pull the old bulb. Put this in. Hopefully. There we go. Now we're just going to hit that real quick. Alright, now hit your unlock. Okay. Double check the other side to make sure. Is that side working?
Yep.
Okay. So here's what I'm talking about, guys. Some of these are going to be different. This is why I always test stuff before I put it back in. Okay. Now, hit your unlock button again. There we go. See, and then of course, now that we know this is working, we'll unplug it for one last time. And we're going to run this up in here. And it's going to act like it has a regular bulb in it. Locked into place. Plug it up. Now, the fun part begins. We're going to fill this. And we got to slip it on. Lock it back and then boom, hit your light. There you go. What do you think?
Looks awesome.
Definitely looks different. I mean, I am going to admit, like Cliff, there's not many pony emblems on Cliff at all. Like the center caps, I still run my stock center caps on my SVE wheels. Used to, I think the S197s, I think used to have the pony emblem on the windshield, but now Ford decided to put Ford there because there's not many Ford emblems on the car. So, now, we'll just repeat the steps on the other side. Get this other one popped in, double check it, and make sure it works. I mean, these little Sidemarker lights, you can get them anywhere. You bought these on Amazon.
Yep.
How much were they?
$35.
There you go. I think mine were like 60 or 70. I bought them from like American Muscle or something like that. So there's obviously other options out there. So we'll mosey ourselves over here. And then right up into the fender wheel we go. Just like that. And then pull it. And then you're done down there. I would love for them to give us a little bit more play on the wire. That would be nice. But of course they don't, so thank you, Ford. Your engineers are great. That bulb is hot to be so small. So, repeat the last steps we did. Hopefully get it right the first time this time. So it's plugged in. Plug it in here.
Hey, first try.
time. There we go. Now, trace this wire in. This is the same thing as, if anybody out there remembers the Focus ST turn signal lights, these are the same exact styling of those. So, that off. Now, push it back, pop in, boom, done. So now you're LED'd out. I don't think there is any more incandescent bulbs in this car.
I don't believe there is.
Yeah, so, let me see that. Let me see what that looks like through the camera. Yeah, that looks pretty good. What do you think, though? That's the main thing. It's your car, not mine.
It looks great. Haven't seen another car with them, so.
No, I haven't either. Here's your old stuff. Let me see here. There's a bulb in there too. So you just trashing them?
Yeah.
Man, somebody might need those, man. What happened if like somebody got hit right here and instead of just buying some LEDs, they want the incandescent stockies?
They can go digging through the landfill.
So that's gonna be a wrap, guys. 5-minute video for a 5-minute job. Stupid easy. It's always the little quirky stuff though that would give you issues. So luckily this one didn't. I guess we're gonna get out of here. What time is it?
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock somewhere. Guys, we love you. And remember, as always,
Dream big.
we'll catch you on the next video. We're still kicking Fox Body Fridays. If you're not watching that, one thing, make sure you click that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up on the video. Please, there's more people watching than subscribed, so and we want to be able to give back to you guys and do some crazy stuff. We were talking about this the other day. Giveaways, blah, 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 you name it. We want to do it. We want to jump on the bandwagon, so make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, turn your post notifications on. That way you know when I post a video. It's easy.
Easy as that.
Yeah, you go check out Fox Body Fridays. I mean, we ain't building a Cody swap Fox or nothing. All right, guys. See ya.